Hello, this is Shane, and today I'm recording a guest tutorial for phpacademy.org. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to echo rows in your database in a table format as such. So, as you can see, in each table cell, I have my row in a database. I have it limited to 5 columns. You could do it however many you want, and it stops when it gets to the end. So, quite easy to set up. So, let's go in a notepad, and the first thing you want to do is connect to your database. I'm going to connect to localhost as my server. Username is root, and I don't have a password. And next thing you're going to do is MySQL select DB, select your database. Mine is tests, and we're going to create a variable called SQL. And that's going to be our SQL query. So MySQL underscore query. Oops. And in that, inside of the parentheses and quotes, select star from table name. My table name is pagination. Now we're going to set up 2 variables. One of them is going to be called limit. Limit's going to be 4. That's how many columns you want to have. Mine was 5 in the last part. In the example, I'm going to have it 4 for now. And our count is going to be 0. I'll explain what count is when we get to it, but for now we have to initiate that to 0. So before we start going through our database, we need to echo out our table start. So echo tr echo table border equals 1, and then we're going to start a while loop. So while row MySQL underscore fetch underscore array of SQL. I'm going to come down here and set our variable to what we're getting. So I'm getting the message, and it's going to be equal to row message. And then we're going to create a little if statement down here. So if count is less than limit, come down here and create another statement. So if count is 0, so if we don't have any rows, or if we're at the beginning of the row, we need to echo our tr tag, which starts a new row. So end that part of the if statement right there, and then come down a little bit, and then echo our td table data message, or whatever you set your variable to, and then slash td. And then we're going to close that if statement up there and do an else. I'm going to reset count to 0, and then we're going to echo slash tr, so stop that row, and then make a new row, and then a new table data cell, echo out message inside of it, stop that table data cell. Do not stop that a new tr cell that you created in there. That's what it's going to go up there for. So after that, I'm going to close off that part of the if statement, then you're going to increment count plus plus, and then another curly bracket at the end to close off your while loop. One more line and we're done. So echo out, stop that last table row, and then stop table, and then we're done. So save it, come into your browser, and this time I had 4 columns. So as you can see now, I have 4 columns. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to PHP Academy. Thanks.